Hi, I want to tell you about Strategic Plan Now, which is an operational framework to help you align people and processes within your organization. I created Strategic Plan Now because I saw a need and I worked in industries where businesses worked in silos and one person didn't know what the other one was doing, and it often causes confusion and it drains resources. It's really misuse of resources, causes frustration. And so I have developed a system that is based on values so that you can generate value. And that is Strategic Plan Now. In Strategic Plan Now, I use the analogy of your business is like a car on a road trip. And when you're embarking on a road trip, before you go on a long journey, you're going to want to do a maintenance check and see what's going on. That's part of the process of Strategic Plan Now, is taking a look under the hood, so to speak, getting a current understanding of what's happening, what systems you have, and maybe some limitations, as well as getting an understanding of leadership styles and personalities, vacancies, and the organizational structure as it is. Then we start to look at things like, how do we start to get people to align around commonality? That's where we define a mission, a vision, core values, and strategic objectives. The mission is why you're on the journey. The vision is how you know you got there. What is the reason? Like, how will you know that you achieved that goal and gotten to your destination? It's your vision. And along the way, there's rules of the road and engagement. Those are your core values and strategic objectives. They guide you along the way. There's also other things that we incorporate when we think about how do we set and achieve goals? What are these milestones, key check-in points, pit stops, so that we can ensure that your journey is a smooth one and that the team is all headed in the same direction. So when you think of your business as a car going on a journey, you as the owner are the leader. If you're the CEO or the boss, you're the owner, you are the driver of that vehicle. And you need to think about who's along for the journey. How do you make sure you keep your occupants happy and safe, as well as what's everybody's individual roles in making sure that the journey is successful. We use this analogy and we work through lots of things, and I have different worksheets and exercises, and I'm really excited to be bringing this to a format that is accessible to many more. I have historically used this process to work one-on-one with clients, and I'm looking forward to bringing it in a format that I can bring it to many people in a community format. So what that would look like is I'll have the full Strategic Plan Now workbook. What helps you see it, plan it, do it. So see it are those assessments, getting really clear on the mission, vision, core values, strategic objectives, working then into the plan it. What are your annual plans, program plans? Who's responsible for what? How do you delegate? How do you know if you're meeting certain goals? Like, to be able to set key performance indicators, metrics, all the activities and things that contribute and the things that you should be looking at. We'll create a dashboard like in a car so that we can see how are we performing, and then it allows you to make more strategic decisions and to be able to be nimble. And when there's changes that affect other areas, how do you make the best decision collectively and stop working in silos or holding resources for your own area? You start breaking down those silos and creating what I call and what is referred to as horizontal integration. What is the horizontal integration across different areas of the business or different departments or managers? So that really can help have the team, I would say, rowing in the same direction, and reduces resources that are drained or used when people are working on different projects and then get pulled away from that. Also reduces frustration. Another key part of the mission, vision, core values is it really can help with retention. And how that works is that when you have clarity and you're using it in both your recruitment, your onboarding, and evaluations, when you are clearly setting expectations, your employees are going to know what you are expecting and what they need to do to achieve that. Clarity clears up so much frustration. And when you have frustrated employees because the direction keeps changing, the projects keep changing, they work and put effort into something that they're proud of, and then it gets scrapped for something else, there's a certain level of natural that happening in businesses. But you can avoid some of the frustration and also bring people into understanding the importance of why decisions are made the way they are when you add some transparency and clarity. I say the best way to not meet an expectation is not to set it. It's very simple, but it's very true. So just being very clear about expectations. What are the clear rules of the road? So this is where Strategic Plan Now can help you no matter the size of your business. So I look forward to bringing a group program or community to you that can help you to get where you want to go faster with greater clarity and efficiency. I heavily leverage technology, resources, and use a custom GPT to help you work through each of the exercises and modules faster. So I look forward to sharing this with you and having strategic plan now be an important part of how you operate your business and bring your people together around values to create value through efficiency and clarity and setting clear expectations.